Alright, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update today. And Jasmy is now trading at 3,451, and that's it. Jasmy, it seems like the idea is to get Jasmy all the way down to to this technical target of 25. I think we actually nearly met it, so we came down to 3,033. And I spoke about this trend line, so one touch, second one, third one, but it seems like you've actually pushed below the trend line as well. So you already are not. I didn't have the idea that this is going to happen, that you go to the downside, but it is what it is right now. And you've actually lost the trend line, you've pushed below the trend line, and that for you, ladies and gentlemen, is that, okay, basically. And if we do go back here, you actually did held that trend line for such a long time, but unfortunately came down and absolutely take below the trend line. So the technical target to me is 2500 level, okay. And then you do have a weekly time frame, which has been my very long term technical target, all the way down to 1387 and 1500. This is a target that was pending for many years, okay, many years I'm talking about, because all you did for Jasmy is just come down, move sideways, break to the downside, try to make some few pumps here and there. But the downtrend, this bearish rectangle for you and its technical target was never really met. And it seems like maybe the mission right now, since you never really broke out of this bullish pattern to go to the upside, it seems like the mission is to come down and really take over this low. And who knows? I don't know if this is your bottom, maybe even make another new low, who knows. And that's actually very scary. Now there has been exchanges problem, SEC coming in, Binance getting sued. A lot of altcoins are dropping once again. It is what it is. But I still say that, remember how a couple of days ago I made a video talking about how 2023 is not for the weak hearts, right? There's a reason why the video is titled 2023 is not for the weak heart. So if you have a weak heart, if you're emotional, if you have a very weak belief in this market, then you probably don't want to be in this market, to be honest, to be in the first place. Or if you're investing way too much, more than you can chew, because the problem that I see with so many newbies, people who have been into crypto for 6 months, is they panic a lot. They panic so much about crypto every time, and they get so happy when everything starts to pump back up again. See, the market doesn't stay in one place. You never know your future. I'm not even saying that Jasmy is going to go back up, but you never just know your future. Come down here and maybe just in 1 week, maybe even just push all the way to the moon. Yeah, something like that can happen. You see, when things pump, they can pump like this, okay? And they can take weeks and weeks and weeks to dumb down. But just a little bit of that 1 month or 2 months, and then you recover everything, right? So newbies are going to be panic, and they actually invest way more than they can chew. They have money that they don't know even how to manage that money and to get into crypto or making a portfolio or even trading in general. And then again, I always say, learn how to trade. I do have a trading course for you for 18 hours. It's not just a promotional for the sake of giving the promotions of that trading course. It's actually to teach you the smart way of doing things. And I know what I'm teaching, and it has helped so many people. You want it? Message me on Twitter. I can give you a discount as well. Just be prepared. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.